guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to turn off two-factor authentication inside the Facebook app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on vital information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up your Facebook app and then I'm going to go back to the home screen here and show you the method. Alright, so I'm on the home page of Facebook. So to get to where I just was is click onto the three horizontal bars top right hand corner and then scroll all the way down and click onto settings, and then in settings click on the magnifying glass here and in search settings type in two-factor, not one factor, two-factor. Alright, once you've done that, click on the two-factor authentication and now click on the account that you would like to remove this. So my case is Tutwiz. Alright, in my case, to turn it off I'll need to click on this part here of this page, Authentication app. But in your case you might be having two-factor authentication that is turned on via a text message. So if you got this or text message, click into it. And now what you want to do here is authentication app, but it might be text message or another form. Just toggle that off and then it will say turn off two-factor authentication. So go ahead and click on the blue button that says turn off and that will successfully turn off your two-factor authentication, guys. So that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you thought it was helpful.